Yogamudra. The name yoga or yoga comes from the word yoga. It means the union of the unit self and the cosmic supreme being. So that realizing the supreme entity. So it helps in your yoga practices for sure. This asana is one of the recommended asanas for your regular practice. And this asana is also one of the basic asanas for women to practice because of the effects on our female hormonal glands. And it balances the secretion, thereby it relieves issues relating to menstruation, emotional issues, menopause. It's very, very useful for women conditions of the body. Now, the asana, when you do it regularly, you can see that it gives that flexibility of the spine. It relieves tension of the neck and spine and back and lower back, and it strengthens the nervous system. The way you do it, it massages, relieve tension and strengthen the nervous system. And this asana also it's very useful for abdominal organs in the abdomen, especially the digestive system, elimination system. It strengthens the liver, the spleen, the heart, and agitated mind. That's why it's highly recommended for meditation. What are the chakras that will benefit? The lower chakras, Muladhara chakras, Svadhisthana chakra, Manipura chakra will benefit from this asana. I feel this asana is also very beneficial for the Agya chakra because it helps create a composed and calm, peaceful mind. What are the contraindications to this pose? Menstruation period, do not do this asana. Take a break from it. Pregnancy, I suppose you can do it. You can do bend forward. Also, inflammation of the joints, especially of the back. If you have lower back problem, protrusion of your these, for example, herniated or bulging, you should surely avoid from this pose. Let's perform this asana. Sit in cross-legged position. Bring your arms behind, make a fist of these hands. So you want to hold one fist to the other. So you're using the right to hold the left side. Breathing in first, lengthening up. And as you exhale, go forward, engage your abs, core muscles. Closing the gap between your forehead and the floor. Don't rest your forehead on the floor. You can just reach or touch. Inhaling, roll the neck up, neck in line with the spine. Engage your abs. Inhaling, relieving, releasing the pose. Now, you may bring your feet closer to your knees to get more tension if you wish to, or away, depending how you get into the pose. Now, while doing the pose, you don't want to lift the bum off the floor. You want to keep the bum on the floor. So, some of us may need to put a blanket just to make it comfortable. So you're not coming up. You are reaching both. Otherwise, you may just want to go to the position where you are comfortable at. So again, make a fist. You're making a fist. Inhale, lengthening. Exhaling. So you can go to the position where you are comfortable. If this is a comfortable position, stay there. If this is where you reach, stay there. you see you're engaging, you're pressing into the floor with your, your bum or your thighs, it's on the floor, your legs, your ankles. And as you inhale, pressing down, coming up, using also the arms, the fists to lift you up back to the original starting position. You can use props, of course, blocks if you need to. If the knees do not go to the floor, or blanket. Again, you can sit on the blanket or use the blanket to prop you up. Okay, if you're sitting on the chair, you may also do that if it's more comfortable. Some of us may not be able to sit on the floor or may sit on the chair just normally as you would sit on the chair with the feet on the floor. You can also do this pose while sitting on the chair. So these are the variations you can use: inhaling, exhaling. Now, in some cases, you might feel easier if you hunch it a little bit down. If you need to do that, if it's more comfortable. And inhaling, engage your abs. Engage your abs and arms, your abdominal muscles and arms, to pull yourself back to the starting position. Use the props that's needed to get into the pose. Sit in the position where you're comfortable. You may not do cross-legged, you may do cross-legged as in Bojasana, or you could just relieve this, you're not holding the legs together to go into the pose, whichever is comfortable for you. To get into the pose, again, you don't have to go all the way to the floor, you may just do it at the level that is comfortable. Another way is to use support to rest your forehead if it doesn't reach the floor, if that is needed. And coming up. You can also do this against the wall. So that means you're resting. And come up. That could also be an option if that's needed to do. What is the count and duration? You do this 8 times, 8 rounds, 8 seconds each time. Of course, you can do less than that if the body needs it. The pose is Yogamudra.